Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here in front of Mandani Bay. We'll try to look and witness what's the activities inside. I thought they will install tower crane today, because as what I have observed in the gate of ASIC or ASIC Contractor construction, they prepare a mobile crane, and I thought maybe they will install a second tower crane of ASIC. So let's go, guys. So now the ASIC is very busy their work. So what we're going to do is to vlog the Mandani Bay's update. So let's go, guys. Let's go there inside the ASIC. As of now, ASIC workers are busy installing the rebars or the extension of column rebars. Oh, they could not use the fabricated already rebars, and it will left by the tower crane instead. But as of now, they're doing installing one by one rebars as extension of the columns like that. Let's try to focus the tower 1 and tower 2. Do you notice that? Do you see the two tower cranes on the top? What color is that? The green tower crane. So never mind. I don't know if two tower cranes are enough here. This is tower 1, no tower crane. Tower 2, two tower cranes. I don't know how many tower cranes. How many tower cranes they needed there. In tower 4 and tower 3 here, look, construct by ASIC, and this is the gate of ASIC. And as of now, they already prepared the materials of the second tower crane. Look, that is tower crane, and that mobile here in the left, at left, ready for, I don't know, the installation of tower crane maybe. So inside that side, the tower crane, second tower crane is ready. And here, look, workers are hiding at the back of the columns. They are busy now. Okay, see, look at the gate of ASIC. So later we'll go there and let's find if what's going on there. And look at the column. It seems that workers are installing now. Yeah, they are busy installing the rebars, and very difficult. Only few persons working there installing the rebars. They're pouring of concrete as of now. They're busy, right? So okay, let's go back there. The rebars, right? See the yellow one? Look at the yellow one. Instead, adding like that. Look at the extension of the column. That one. Very nice, because this contractor is painted the old rebar. Right? It's okay. Let's go there. Let's get inside and let's try to. Guwapo, nagkagwapo. Wala ko ma-upload to video dire. Wala ko ma-upload to. Okay guys, look at the tower crane. The tower crane is very nice, see? And look, this materials is ready to install. Maybe ano saan install, Bart? The in charge guard don't know what is the final installation of the tower crane. Yeah, this mobile crane is ready. Ha? G-Tower? G-Tower. Are? Tadi itu bisa satu. Satu nahan. Dua naman. Oh. Look, this is the tower crane of ASIC. Let's go. As of now, they're cleaning the pathway.
Mulai lagi. Mulai lah. Oh, Jamie nih. Basta por, kumusta yung pagmunlay por? Kumusta yung pamunlay re? Namunlay mo? Di kumusta ang trabaho ni Asik? Okay na diya, nagsugod na mo ko. Ano sa ngalan? Sa ngalan na, kana ba ang kapilya pagipatong diya? Ganyan man nagipasubayan? Stirap. Ah, stirap na? No, gipunan mo ko oh. Stirap yun na. Kaya balik sa kwato. Kaya na magkasukli ato.
Let's try to look back to the old video of Mandani Bay. go back to the latest video.